Heuchera Lime Rickey, your guide to the limelight-loving coral bells. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer your burning questions about the Heuchera Lime Rickey, a dazzling coral bells variety known for its vibrant lime green foliage. This easy-care perennial adds a refreshing pop of color to gardens and thrives in various light conditions. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, this FAQ will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate a thriving lime Rickey in your own space. What makes Heuchera Lime Rickey special? The lime Rickey stands out with its stunning chartreuse lime green leaves. The foliage is ruffled and deeply lobed, creating an eye-catching texture. These vibrant greens hold their color well throughout the season, adding a burst of life to shady or sun-dappled areas. During the summer months, delicate white flowers emerge on slender stalks, adding a touch of elegance to the lime green show. Though the flowers are beautiful, the true star of the show is the foliage, which remains attractive long after the blooms fade. Sun or shade. Finding the perfect spot for your lime Rickey. Heuchera Lime Rickey is a versatile plant that adapts to a range of light conditions. Here's a breakdown to help you choose the ideal location. Full sun. In cooler northern climates, lime Rickey can handle full sun. However, consistent moisture is crucial to prevent scorching, especially during hot summers. Part shade. This is the sweet spot for lime Rickey in most regions. Afternoon shade protects the foliage from the harshest rays of the sun, promoting optimal growth and maintaining the vibrant green color. Full shade. While lime Rickey tolerates full shade, the foliage color might not be as vibrant. Consider companion plants with contrasting colors to add visual interest in shady areas. Remember, consistent moisture is key, regardless of the light conditions. How to plant and care for Heuchera Lime Rickey. Planting your lime Rickey is a breeze. Here's what you need to know. Soil. Well-draining, organically rich soil is ideal. Amend clay soil with compost or sand for better drainage. Planting. Dig a hole slightly larger than the plant's root ball. Place the plant, ensuring the crown sits at soil level. Backfill the hole and water thoroughly. Watering. Water regularly, especially during the first growing season. Aim for evenly moist soil, but avoid soggy conditions. Fertilizer. A balanced fertilizer applied in spring can promote healthy growth. However, lime Rickey is not a heavy feeder, so a light application is sufficient. Lime Rickey versus lime marmalade. Picking your perfect lime crush. Both lime Rickey and lime marmalade are popular Heuchera varieties known for their lime green foliage. Here's a quick comparison to help you decide. Size. Lime Rickey is a compact grower, reaching 12 to 24 inches in height and width. Lime marmalade is slightly larger, maturing to 18 to 24 inches tall and wide. Foliage. Lime Rickey features ruffled, deeply lobed leaves. Lime marmalade has flatter, less textured foliage. Habit. Lime Rickey forms a neat, clump-forming habit. Lime marmalade has a slightly looser, spreading growth pattern. Choosing the right plant. Lime Rickey is ideal for borders, containers, or mass planting due to its compact size. Lime marmalade works well in larger borders or as a specimen plant. Beyond limelight, companion plants for your lime Rickey. Lime Rickey pairs beautifully with various plants, creating stunning combinations in your garden. Here are some ideas. For contrasting color, purple or burgundy foliage plants like Heuchera, obsidian, or Heucherella, blackberry ripple, create a dramatic contrast against the lime green. For textural interest, combine lime Rickey with plants that offer contrasting textures, like ferns or ornamental grasses. For floral companions, pink or blue flowering plants like Brunnera macrophylla, Siberian bugloss, or Ajaga reptans, bugleweed, add a touch of whimsy to the scene. Experiment and have fun. With its versatility, lime Rickey allows you to create unique and captivating garden designs. Troubleshooting common lime Rickey issues. While lime Rickey is a low-maintenance plant, a few issues can arise. Here's how to identify and address them. Scorched leaves. This usually occurs with excessive sun exposure, particularly in hot climates. Move your plant to a location with more shade or increase watering frequency. Floppy or stretched plants. This indicates insufficient light. Relocate your lime Rickey to a spot with brighter light, but avoid harsh afternoon sun. Loss of color. full shade can cause the vibrant lime green color to fade. Consider using companion plants with contrasting colors for shady areas. Alternatively, move your plant to a location with more dappled sunlight. Pests and diseases. Lime Rickey is generally pest and disease resistant. However, excessive moisture can attract fungal gnats or lead to root rot. Ensure proper drainage and avoid overwatering. Remember, early detection and intervention are key to keeping your Lime Rickey healthy and vibrant. Is Heuchera Lime Rickey deer resistant? Yes, deer tend to leave Lime Rickey alone. Can I grow Heuchera Lime Rickey indoors? Yes, it can be a great houseplant in a pot with well-draining soil and bright, indirect light. How long does Heuchera Lime Rickey live? With proper care, Lime Rickey can thrive for many years, forming a beautiful clump. Is Heuchera Lime Rickey fast-growing? It's a moderate grower, expanding slowly but steadily over time. Can I divide Heuchera Lime Rickey? Yes, you can divide mature clumps in early spring to create more plants. I hope this FAQ has empowered you to cultivate a thriving Heuchera Lime Rickey in your garden. With its easygoing nature and vibrant foliage, this Coral Bells variety is sure to add a touch of lime zest to your landscape.